Now, Entertainment Tonight, the worldwide leader in entertainment news.
Alec Baldwin loses it with the paparazzi after winning his stalker case. Hi, everybody, and welcome to Entertainment Tonight. I'm thinking that he had to be happy about the guilty verdict she got, Rob.
You would think so, right, Nancy? But that joy didn't last long. All it took was his old nemesis, the Paps, trying to get a shot of Alec and his family. Baldwin goes ballistic. That is Entertainment Tonight's top story.
Get away from my wife and the baby with the camera.
Alec, after the guilty verdict, on edge and irate with the paparazzi.
Get away from my kid with the camera. You know what's going to happen to you, don't you? Come on.
Just hours before, Alec's stalker was sentenced to 210 days in jail. But could Genevieve try to take her own life? Legal analyst Robin Sachs, who's worked numerous stalking cases, goes inside the mind of a woman obsessed.
There is no doubt that Genevieve is going to be put on suicide watch. Here you have a woman who is not stable. So you have threats and emails, you have video surveillance camera. You're classically able to see how delusional this woman is. This is Genevieve yesterday reading a story about herself in the New York Post. Not only does she look distraught and somewhat disheveled, but this is not surprising. I mean, what stalkers love is their own press. She may have had the ultimate fantasy. She got to go to court and actually see him, listen to him. This could be the grand prize to her.
Always great insight from Robin. And joining me now from ET New York is Genevieve's lawyer, Todd Spodek. Thanks for joining us and talking to us.
Hey, Rob, thanks for having me here.
Todd, do you believe Genevieve had sex with Alec Baldwin?
Absolutely. I have no doubts that they had a relationship, that it progressed to a sexual stage. I actually believe that they had phone sex after that.
Some say Genevieve has a fatal attraction to Alec. How would you describe it?
Rob, I wouldn't say that it was a fatal attraction. Miss Sabourin thought that this was going to be her boyfriend and potential husband. Mr. Baldwin, I believe, thought this was going to be a one-night stand and move on.
This afternoon, Ilaria gave this statement to ET, which said in part, "Now that it's finally over, we feel safe, relieved, and happy to move forward." Is Genevieve suicidal?
She's not suicidal at all, Rob. However, she's been in jail overnight, and it's a stark reality check. Prior to ending court today, I asked that she be in protective custody.
Genevieve was ordered to stay away from Alec for 5 years, but Robin Sachs told us that Alec shouldn't put down his guard because that court order doesn't mean that she'll stay away.
Which I'm sure is a scary thought for him and his family.
Exactly.
Yeah. Well, Mariah Carey says she just went through hell.